Post-installation tasks. Well, we'll want to consult the Oracle table or OraTab file. Let's nano etc OraTab. And actually, let me maximize this. And notice that our ORCL database is not set for auto start, so we're going to change that N flag to Y. Control X, Y, enter. All right, looking good. I'm going to reboot this box just for good measure. Do a reboot now. Now then, I just came back from my restart, and even though we set the flag in OraTab to yes for my new database, I found that I was unable to connect, and I'm sure you'll find the same thing. Here's the deal. You have to do some extra work yet if you want to auto start your listener and start the database. What I had to do manually is do a listener control start in order to start the listener. I can do a listener control status to make sure that everything's up and running, and when you start the listener, it's not going to show any services running because the database isn't started either. So you'll need to do a SQL plus. You can come in as the operating system user if you're still logged on as Oracle, and then you'll have to issue a startup to start up the database. Now, at the Oracle base blog, Tim has an